Hi, it's Anna with WTI.
If you're looking for a new men's wallet, this one by MURADIN is really cool looking. This is the blue carbon fiber look, and it is super cool. The frame is made of aluminum, so it's super lightweight, and it's this really cool looking blue. It's also very functional, especially if you are looking for a little bit more of a minimalistic wallet. This one holds several cards on the inside and cash on the outside. My husband really likes it. It comes with this elastic band to hold it nice and tight, and he keeps his cash on the outside in that pocket. On the inside, there's a nice little slot where it holds, he keeps his ID in that pocket, so it's easily showable to people in stores. And then in the little slot is where he keeps all of his cards. As you can see, it holds quite a few for how skinny this wallet is. And on the outside, on the back, there is even this little spot. And it's easy to push your cards out because of this nice little spot on the bottom. It comes beautifully shipped in this box, so it'd be really easy to make this a great gift for the guy in your life. If you're looking for a really nice new minimalistic wallet, this one is perfect.
And that's my point of view.